Hi, my name is Prince, and in this video I'll show you how can you set up your own Linode and Akamai cloud account with $100 free credit. Yeah, you are here right. In this video I'll show you how can you set up your account without any interruption and suspension, and also I'll tell you how can you fix this type of error, and I'll create a VPS and RDP server using this free $100 free credit. So let's get started, and if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell icon to get more update on VPS or RDP server. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to open this link. I will provide the link in the description and the comment pin so you can check it out, and we will get the $100 free credit if we go with the link. So click on sign up with Google, and now you have to enter your username, like I'm using Prince, right? It's my name. Click on next, and after that you have to verify your mobile details over here. So you need to enter your mobile number, and after that you will get a OTP confirmation code, and click on verify mobile number. So let me check it, we will get the promotional code or not. So you can see over here we will get the promotional code, and if we use it we will get the $100 free credit. Now you have to enter or choose any payment details over here. Currently I'm choosing the PayPal because it's safe and easy for me. So now we have to remember one thing, we need to enter the same billing details over here that we are using on our PayPal account. If our PayPal details are different and here we will use the different details, so they will suspend our account without any issue. So now we have to enter the details and click on create account, and after that they will show you a pop-up that they are verifying your details, and after that they will provide you the link. After that you can log in it. So here is the confirmation email from Linode account. Let me show you. So here is the confirmation email that your Linode account has been activated. Please log in into the Linode manager to get started. Click on the link, and here our Linode account is set up properly. So let me show you the settings and other things so you can verify it that we will get the $100 free credit. Click on account, and here you will see the billing details over here, like we will get the $100 free credit over here, and it expire after 2 months. So we have 2 months to test their services, how it's work, and if we are satisfied their services, after that we can pay them for the next. Okay, so let me show you how can you set up the VPS server over here. Click on Linode and click on create Linode. Okay, so here is the choose a distribution option. You can choose any images, like here is Alma Linux, Alpine, and as well as Kali Linux, Arc, Debian, CentOS, Fedora, and Kali Linux over here, and also Ubuntu. So Ubuntu is the one of my favorite. After that let me show you some other things, like in single click you can install Apache as well as WordPress, Kali Linux, and OpenVPN, and other things like a cPanel, CyberPanel, Minecraft game. If you want to host your Minecraft game, you can do it here, and as well as OpenVPN is also available, and too many other applications if you want to host it. Okay, click on next, and here you can upload any custom image, like you can upload a Windows. Okay, so click on the choose distribution, and let me show you how can we set up our VPS server. Click on choose distribution, and here we will select Ubuntu 20.04 because it's suitable for me. I'm not going with the latest because too many bugs. Okay, so Ubuntu 20.0.4, click on regions, and here are too many options like North America, Europe, Asia. So currently I'm choosing in Mumbai, India. After that we have 3 options to choose it, like dedicated CPU, shared CPU, as well high memory CPU, and in the last GPU. GPU is too much costly because it's higher costly. It cost you monthly $1,000. The minimum price is $1,000, and it will cost you $1.5 per hour. Okay, so currently it's not available in the free trial because it's too much costly. So currently we have 3 options, like a shared CPU and high memory CPU and dedicated CPU. So currently I am going with this Linode 8GB. It will cost you $40 per month, and 8GB of RAM, 4 core of CPU, 160GB of storage, and 5 terabyte of data transfer at 40 Gbps speed network. Okay, so it's suitable for me because it's cost me $40. If we go with the same plan in the dedicated server, it may cost you $60 per month. So it's not suitable for me, because if we go with the $40 per month, so we can use it for 2 months, and if we go for $60, so it will around $120, and we have only $100. So currently I'm choosing this one, Linode 8GB, $40. Okay, after that you have to use Linode label, like you can choose any name. Currently I'm using Ubuntu, it's easy, and go with it. Okay, so you have to enter the root password. It will help you to log in the Ubuntu server. So currently I'm choosing a strong password for our root. Okay, so here are other two options, like if you want to attach any VLAN, VLAN is currently not required. And if you want to set up a backup, it will cost you $10 per month. Currently backup is not required because we are only going with a test, and it will currently cost you $40 per month. Will 8 GB of memory and 4 core of CPU and the Mumbai server Ubuntu 20.04. Click on create Linode. After a few minutes, the is currently processing, and after that few minutes you will see the status of the server is running. So you can click on list console to check how the things are going in the background. So click on the launch list console, and here is the something are installing. Now you have to log in with root to enter root, and now you have to enter the password. So currently I'm using the password. Okay, so we are in now. So finally our Linode VPS is ready to use. You can do whatever you want. If you want to set up a GUI interface, so you can install a GUI interface as per your needs. So that's it in the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the like button. If you want to know anything else, you can put down in the comment section. I'll tell you definitely. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.